What up, YouTube? First off, we would like to start off by giving a huge shout out to Greg over at RaceLine Wheels. He helped us out with this project, which is the Silverado 2016. We picked up 5 of these wheels, 5 center caps and 5 rings this morning, and we're gonna do the unboxing right now. So what we have here is the center caps. This is the model, part number and everything. This is what they look like. Then we have the ring. These are aluminum rings for the beadlocks. Okay, so we have this nice aluminum ring. We have the hardware, torque specs and everything. So it comes with all the bolts and 2 extra inserts. It's really cool that they put the torque specs on the package. You know, a lot of the times for torque specs you have to go online and you get mixed information for whatever it is that you're torquing down. So that's pretty cool. Now for the wheels, there you have the information on the wheels. RT 232s, 17 by 8.5. With the big RaceLine wheels sticker, I'll slap it somewhere on the truck. All the info. Actually shows how the wheel should be mounted on and all that. That's pretty cool. Well packaged, very well packaged. These are it. There's 17-inch wheels, 6 lugs, 4 Chevy. So I'm gonna show you what they look like installed. There you go. Once again, huge shout out to Greg over at RaceLine Wheels. If you guys need anything, make sure to contact him. And we want to know what you guys think in the comments, whether we should go with 35s or 37s. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.